In this video, we will see how the BMW amplifier is composed. We will analyze the circuit connections and we will give some hints useful to identify possible burned components and other failures. We will see also how to unweld and weld ball grid array components. In these pictures we see some views of the amplifier. This is a side view where we see the fiber optic connector and the signal connector. Bottom view and top side view, where we see a big board PCB connected to a small board through an header. On the big board are numbered the main components: the fiber optic connector, the signal connector with each pin number, the power control circuit with progressive number of integrated components on it, the power transistors control circuit, and on the borders we see the 6 final power chips going through the speakers. The 12 volts coming from the battery has at least 3 paths. One direct to the header, where the small board is connected, either pin 29. Another connection through a big fuse indicated by the red arrow, also supply the small board after a Schottky diode through the pins 3 and 28 of the header connecting the small board. The 12 volts coming from the battery that arrives on pin 2 of the main connector of the big board also supplies the power on command circuit for the final power transistors. Remember, on pin 1 there is the ground, pin 1 of the main connector of the big board.